Hi, I'm Jane from Poppy Patchwork and welcome to my quilt block series. In each of these videos I'm going to show you how to make a different block and they're all going to measure 12 inches. I hope you like this video. If you do, click the like button and please let me know in the comment section below what other videos you'd like me to make. Let's get quilting. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 12-inch block called Annie's Choice. You're going to need 8 4.5-inch squares in background fabric, 4 4.5-inch squares in fabric A, and 4 4.5-inch squares in fabric B. Making the half square triangles. On the wrong side of the background fabric, draw a diagonal line. As shown in this photo. Pin the background fabric right sides together with fabrics A and B. Sew a 1/4 inch seam on both sides of the drawn line. So before I start sewing, I always use this piece of leftover fabric, and that just captures all the kind of bird's nest mess of the thread when you first start sewing. To make the half square triangles, you sew a 1/4 inch on both sides of the drawn line. So I've got the drawn line on all my background fabrics. I've paired them up with the other fabrics, and now I'm just going to go sew down each side of the line, and I'm going to do this in chain piecing. So when you do chain piecing, it's quicker and it does save on the amount of thread that you use. And then once I finish that, I'm just going to snip between them before I start sewing down the other side. Cut along the drawn line. Trimming the half square triangles. Lay the 45-degree line on the ruler on top of the seam. And line up the bottom and left edges at just over 3.5 inches. Trim the top and right edges. Turn the unit round and lay the 45-degree line along the seam. Line the bottom and left edges at exactly 3.5 inches. And then trim the right and top edges. Block layout. You can choose your layout. You can either have the darker fabrics in the middle, or you can have the lighter fabrics in the middle. I've chosen to go with the darker fabrics in the middle. Press your unit and lay in the block layout. Pin the squares together, sewing with a 1/4 inch seam. So now I'm just going to join all those pairs together on the sewing machine. So this pin indicates the side I need to sew along. Just remove the pin and make sure the edges are lined up nicely before I start sewing. Return to the block layout. There's no need to press yet. Pin in rows as shown and sew with a 1/4 inch seam. And then return to the block layout. Press your seams open. This will allow you to see the points of the triangle. Push the pin through the point of the triangle. And check it is on the point on the right side of the fabric. Then push through on the point of the other fabric and then match the seams. Then join the strips together with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. So as I sew these together, I've turned them over so I can see all of those points that I've positioned the pin in, so that I know exactly where to sew my 1/4 inch as we cross over those points. And as I remove the pin, I just press down on those fabrics so they don't move away from where I've positioned them. And now I'm going to repeat with the other section. Repeat and complete the block. Congratulations, you have made the Annie's Choice block. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. More of these videos will be posted, so please tune in. Thank you for watching and bye for now.